Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, there's Clementine. Today I'm going to give you guys an update of my chickens. Still have to go all the way over there. Just start with this one. He is a rooster. And then this one's a girl. She is laying blue eggs right now. Might be. Oh, there's Mrs. White. That's Mrs. White. She is laying white eggs.
And they're very big white eggs too.
That brown one right there. That is Sarah.
Mary.
And she is laying brown eggs. That one is red. And she is also laying brown eggs. This is Larry Bird. Whoever the face is, there's the face. And Larry Bird is not laying any eggs right now. And that's Chicoletta. And Chicoletta is laying cream-colored eggs. An update on the chickens. And wait. Okay. And the rooster is not laying any eggs because he's a boy.
And this is a boy too. Emily, this is a boy too.
I know. Okay. Let's look inside the coop. Oh, there's Chicoletta. Hi, Chicoletta. See if there's any eggs. Oh, we got one egg. And it is kind of a.
Oh, there we go.
Check the bins because Mrs. White, hers was in there last time. So it was like, here, let me open this. It's like this color today. It's kind of a cream and kind of a red. Or like a cream brown mix. So,
Bye, cutie pie.
Jaden, who do you think that laid this
Bye,
egg?
cutie pie. Probably Caitlin's or mine.
So
Or
red or
Chicoletta.
Sarah,
Or Chicoletta.
or it could be Chicoletta.
Chicoletta probably made it because Chicoletta makes the cream cheese too.
Okay, I'm gonna stick that in my pocket for a little bit later. Oh, if you guys heard that, that was just my rooster.
My rooster. Our rooster.
Stop. Stop. I will keep you guys updated on my chickens. And if I find more eggs, I will let you guys know. But it's 10:17. And we got one egg. So now I'm just going to start coming out here every 30 minutes and checking to see what time there's more eggs. Like yesterday, we got 2 eggs, and the day before that, we got 4 eggs. So I'm not sure.
You have to wait 6 hours after sunrise to get an egg once they're fully grown.
What the heck? If you guys heard that. That was the rooster back there. Yeah, so there's an update on the chickens. Please do not forget to like and subscribe this video if you guys like not gymnastics, sorry. chicken videos. Don't forget to hit that bell to notify you if there's any more videos. So that's all I have today. Bye.